Hey, what's up? So, this is what we doing tonight. Man, I forgot to do. Y'all just gonna have to. I'm in my house. I have a problem with wearing underclothes. Or y'all don't even know all that. Anyways, I'm about to make this baked spaghetti for the kids because that's what I'm coming up with. That's what they like. I'm not about to fight anybody to try a new recipe, and I honestly don't have one besides taco bake. I want to do the taco bake. Let's turn that down so it's not burning because I did not cut up my onion. So we got ground beef, we got tomato sauce, we got hot pot with butter. Turning it all the way down actually because it already had the noodles, and the noodles are done. And we got our pan here. We're just gonna put it in this one, and of course we got our cheese, and we got some stuff over there for a salad. So. And then we have our breadsticks. They like breadsticks, but since it was a sale, I went ahead and got both because they like these two. So, and then the 6-year-old's having oodles and noodles. So, 1 second. Hopefully this don't, go ahead and put in the onions. I'll use one more onion and then I'm gonna add garlic. Okay, so let's go ahead and cook the rest of this up for the kids. People trying to rummage my feathers and hurt my spirit and burn my onions. See, I can't even get it in the camera. People trying to tussle my feathers and watch me burn my onions and stuff. All right, back down on low heat. I'm sorry, that was a little aggressive. I had a moment, but I'm back now. All right, we got some garlic. I'm just gonna use this one here. I really need to mince that actual garlic we have over there. So this is actually still good and we need to use it. I really like garlic. Okay, that's enough. But we really need to use it. I don't want to say I'm lazy, but kind of. When it comes to mixing garlic. Okay, that back on a medium heat. All right. I'm gonna stop stirring like my rest do when this is making it. All right. Now, I'm going to wait for that to cook a bit, even though I know it looks a little crispy in the corner. That's because Aneesah neglected a couple things because she was trying to figure out something on the side. So we're about to put in our ground beef. I'm gonna just go ahead and put it in because, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the ground beef. Okay, this looks like a lot of ground beef. And it is. It's a lot. It's a lot. Now, I wish I had one of those thingy things, those meat cutters. It's on the side of the bowl, on the side of the pan pot. Okay, I don't like that. Let me get a paper towel. 1 second. Let me get a paper towel. Added my seasonings. McCormick. I'm gonna start sneezing. Wait, shoot, I didn't drain it. Wait, let me drain the meat first. Okay, now it's drained. Now we can put in seasonings. The seasonings is garlic powder. Yeah. Oh wow, I just made a mess. Chaotic. It's because I want it to be done. I want them to eat. That needs quite a bit of stuff. Onion powder. It's real powdery. Like I said, we're gonna get another one, but we're gonna use this up. Don't waste these. No waste these. And there's another one in there. They said. Y'all just hear my sister. So, and what's that? What is that? Oh, is that just the garlic powder clumping up?
I got them in different
crazy.
Ones, yeah.
Okay, and then seasoned salt.
There was a lot.
And
I thought it was good. I had
non-vegetable. Oh, we got it. Salt-free vegetable. Let's put that in because we got it now. So, it's one of my favorite ones. Okay, and then we're gonna add in. I'm gonna do Italian seasoning in the sauce, and then I'm gonna do salt. Let me grab some salt. Oh Lord, is she scared? Let's see here. It's a hint of cayenne. Don't tell the kids. Don't tell the kids.
Noodles and take these work clothes off. You are very good at making houses.
Salt.
So
Salt.
show me what you can do.
Give me a second while I figure out the salt. Salt.
From baby on.
It's quite a bit of ground beef in there. And then, where's the Worcestershire? Oh, there it is. Sorry, Liam Perkin. Parents.
Can I help you make the baby spaghetti?
And let's do this here.
This is a good video, guys.
And I was putting a little bit of Italian right now. Please watch out.
Why is that water white?
Hot.
Okay, so go ahead and add the
I
sauce.
have never seen water that hot.
We're gonna use add the sauce in.
Some kind of faucet way.
And we just got regular. All right, sauce. 1 jar. It's not really much to help me with besides shredding cheese. I need to shred cheese. And of course, now she's gone. Okay, another jar. And sauce. There we go. And I think we're gonna do 1 more jar of sauce. Oops, I got that on my finger. I think we're gonna do 1 more jar. Let's see. Yeah, probably 1 more. All right, so we're gonna stir, see if I want to put in some more sauce or not. Looks pretty good. Real thick though, even though some of us like a meatier sauce, some like a saucier sauce. It's really try to get in between. I try my bestest. I'm not gonna add this whole thing because that's a lot. All right, so now that I have that in, I'm gonna go ahead and do my final seasoning. Now this is a lot of meat, so that's probably why it's also really thick, because I put in quite a bit of meat. Never mind, I'm just gonna add some more sauce because this is a meaty meat sauce. I'd use more than 2 pounds of meat. More seasoned salt. Then I'm gonna add in the rest of this Worcestershire. I have more in the pantry. Well, not the rest, probably just that much. Tablespoon. And then the Italian seasoning. There we go. And then pepper, some more pepper to the overall. I'm just gonna use this part. There we go. And then I'm gonna add more onion powder. Did I already add in some more garlic powder? I don't know if I added. Oh, not it tooting like that. And then garlic. I don't think I added more, but you know me. It'll never be enough. It's never too much. Yeah, I stopped being afraid of seasonings a long time ago, like a few years ago. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna load it up because my stuff be bland and I don't want it to be bland no more. Because I'll be afraid of seasonings, afraid of putting in the right thing, wrong thing, whatever. Or not right thing. Of course, I'm not afraid of the right thing. Afraid of the wrong thing. But anyways. All right. Give me a second to think because I think I need to add in a couple more things. All right. Of course, I go in every time with the better than bouillon, roast beef, and onion. I just like the way it smells. So good. So we're going to do about this. Say about this much of the bouillon beef. Of course, I said there's kids in here in the background. This is gonna have to do. It's dinner time. And then the onion, about this much too. You can add in, take out as much as you like, make your sauce however you want. But I do it like this. I had never got any complaints, except maybe that one time, but it was really watery that time. No, it was a while ago. Anyways, so I'm gonna just let this simmer probably for another 5-10 minutes because it's gonna cook in the oven. So I don't really need to do too much. Make sure it's all incorporated, all together now. And then we're gonna go over here. So that's all stirred up. We're gonna go over here and put it in our glass dish. I just need the noodles from the sink. So 1 second. Okay, so we have the ricotta. I'm gonna add that into the baked spaghetti as well. And the noodles here, sauce here, finish simmering, and then sauce, and then noodles, and then boing, 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 and then sauce. And that might all be all of it, because usually I only get like 2 layers. Oh, and let me go. Oh, I have to go shred cheese too. So that's simmering. Let me go shred cheese real quick. Okay, so I'm about to shred the cheese. I just, of course, use the cheese grater. Takes away most of the time. And then do it this way, but I can't do that because it feels weird. So it's gonna look backwards while I'm doing this, but that's mine. Okay, I'm gonna cut up this. That's my baby. A good old chunk. It just feels more comfortable using this hand. Oh shoot. Now I'm making a mess. Hope y'all see me making a mess. Not make a mess. My counter's clean, by the way. I wiped it off. Like y'all even, like I hate when people have to do that. My counter's clean, my hands are washed. Like y'all got eyes on me 24/7. I can literally press pause and wash my hand right now and not say anything, and people will still assume, that is clean. You ain't even eating here, bro. You in a whole other side of the world. Okay, I'm sorry, that was a little crash. So layer of spaghetti noodles, then cheese, ricotta cheese and butter. I'm gonna add sauce and mix it all together. Now it's mixed. Add a little bit more sauce on top of that since I have extra sauce, and cheese. And then cheese. And then I repeat the same step again with the noodles, mixing it with the sauce. I'm just do it in the pot though, so I don't have to, mix this all together. I'm just put the noodles in the sauce in the pot, and with the ricotta in the pot as well. Dump that on top, and then put my final layer of cheese. And it's what we looking like. Why don't I have the flash on? I went over my 10 minutes, so I'm sad. So I'm gonna have to actually edit the video. Sucks. So we're gonna go ahead and put the cheese on. Might as well go ahead and record it. Gotta edit it anyways. Just kidding, I'm not gonna record this. You'll see me after I'm done. This is what we're looking like before we put it in the oven. This is good. We're gonna put foil on it, pray to the gods so that it don't spill over, because it's a lot of sauce. I mean, way too much sauce. But anyways, we're gonna see how it comes out in the oven. So a couple things happened. I put way too much, of course you can see, so I had to do an extra pan at the bottom. That's that pan right there. See it's burned because it overflowed, like I assumed. Should have, of course, known. But they've already pretty much, started eating it, and I can't think of anything more gorgeous than them devouring the macaroni. No, Lord, not macaroni, it's spaghetti. So that's nice. To be portrait view, not landscape, because my backup phone, I didn't have a stand for it, so I didn't use it. I do have a stand, but it's upstairs, and I had already had a lot going on. I already burned my onions, had a situation. We did. And look at that. It was a situation. It's been a situation, but it's fine. It turned out good.